Yeah, so good evening everyone. So online, is my voice is audible to you? Can you confirm in chat box once? As well as screen. Clear for all of you?
Yes.
Yeah. So thank you for the confirmation. So let other people can join later. Now let me recap it. What we have discussed in the last class. So in the last class we have seen like some Linux commands, right? So what is the command to create a file? Touch. Touch is the command to create a file. So if you want to see the list of files, so then what is the command? ls. Now, what is mean by ls? Short list. So instead of giving the ls, we can also use the ll. ll is nothing but what? It's a long list. Okay. So if you want to create multiple files, so touch file name space, file name space, file name. So if you want to create the series of files, so touch the series that you want to start with, open the braces, 1 double dot 10. So it will create the 10 TCS files. So if you want to remove a file, rm and then file name. So if you want to remove the multiple files, rm file name space, file name space, file name. So if you want to remove all, so rm TCS star or rm star, so it will remove all the TCS files. So it will remove all the files. Now, so later we have discussed about like how to add the data inside a file. So if you want to add the data inside a file, what we are going to use? We are going to use the VIM editor. So in the VIM editor, totally how many modes we are having? We are having the command mode as well as insert mode. So what is the default mode in the VIM editor? It's going to be the command mode. To switch from command mode to the insert mode, what I need to do? I need to press the small I button. So to switch from insert mode to the command mode, what we need to do? We need to press the escape button. Okay. So to save our data, what we are having? Colon W. So it is going to be the save the data. So if you have given the colon Q, what will happen? We are going to quit from the editor. So if you want to do both at a time, colon WQ or colon X. So if you want to see the data inside a file, what we are going to use? We are going to use the cat command. What we are going to use here? Cat command. So up to this we have discussed in the last class, right or not? So clear for all of you? I think all of you have, I mean to say all of you has got the these particular notes, right? Have you got the notes or no? So notes వచ్చిందా రాలేదు? ఉన్నారా? హలో.
Notes we did not get.
So notes started. Okay.
Link we
So,
got in the YouTube video. I mean, this recording session. They have sent this recording session.
okay, okay. So no worries. So we will also send the notes. So please don't write any notes for the
Okay.
class. Okay. Now let me open the killer code here. Killercode.com. So click on the playgrounds. So go to now observe closely. So let me remove the default. So you guys are having the default file as a file system. So just try to remove that. Okay. So so in the last class we have seen like some commands in the VIM editor, right? Let us try to explore some more commands we are having in the VIM editor. So VIM, let's say I'm going to open a file called DevOps. So right now I was in the command mode. So if you want to go from command mode to the insert mode, what do we need to do? Small I button. So let me add the data here. Hey, this is all about Linux. Okay. Now observe closely. If you want to copy a line, so it is going to be the colon y. So to copy, to copy a line. What is the command here? Y. So if you want to copy two lines, to Y. So 2 is the number, guys. Okay. Copy 2 lines. So in the same manner, if you want to copy 10 lines, so what is the command? 10 Y. To copy 10 lines. Okay. So let me copy here Y. So if you want to paste, so it is going to be P. What it will do? It will paste. So I'm giving P. Okay, so it was pasting. So if you want to copy 5 lines, 5 Y, and then paste, it will paste 5 lines. Next, if you want to delete a line, colon DD. What is the command here? To delete a line. It's going to be delete. In the same manner, if you want to delete 5 lines, colon 5 DD. So what will happen? It will delete 5 lines. So if you want to delete 10 lines, so 10 DD. What will happen? To delete 10 lines. Now, so if you observe closely, so we are having number of lines. So if you want to set the number, to all the lines, so we are going to use colon set number. So it will set the numbers for you. So what I have typed in here, I have typed in like colon set number to set the numbers here. So if you observe closely, totally how many lines I am having? I am having 24 lines, right or not? So right now my cursor was at on where? It was at on 9th line. Now if I want to go to 24th line, if you want to go to 24th line, so just try to give like this 24, hit enter to go to 24th line, to go to 24th line. So automatically you will be the 24. So colon 24, hit enter. I was at 24. If I have given colon 5, I was at the first line. If I have given colon 9, I was at 9th line. So it means if you want to go to a particular line, colon and then line number. So I want to go to the 7. So colon 7, hit enter. I was at the 7th line. Now, if you observe closely, we are having a word called Linux, which was having 24 times I am having, which was having 24 times. Now, I want to replace my Linux with the DevOps. So I am not going to use the backspace button 24 times, and also I am not going to write the DevOps 24 by 7. 24 times. So instead of doing this one, we are having a command called sed. What is the command here? Sed. So percentage s. Here s is nothing but what? Sed. Old word slash new word. Old word slash new word. So to replace a word. So we are going to do it lively. Percentage s slash old word. What was that? Linux. Needs to be replaced by what? DevOps. Hit enter. So ultimately it was replaced. Okay. Clear for all of you about these particular commands. So it was very simple. So just try to remember YY, DD, and then set number, particular number, P means paste. So this was a command like percentage s, old word, new word. That's it. Clear? Just try to confirm me in chat box once only. So what about the others? Done. Now, so the next one is about directories. What was that? Directories. Remember, directories are in the sense of itself folders. So let's say this is my laptop, right? In my laptop, if I want to create a folder, how we are going to create? Right click, new, and then folder. So ultimately folder was created, right or not? In the same manner, if you want to create a folder, nothing but a directory. Remember, folders are nothing but what? Say directories. Is nothing but directories. So simply in the server folders are nothing but what? Say directories. Now, if you want to create a folder, if you want to create a folder, so the command will be mkdir. What is the command to create a folder? Nothing but a directory. Mkdir. So nothing but what? Make directory. What was the meaning here? Make directory. So I am making the directory as DevOps. So I want to create the DevOps directory. Mkdir and then directory name. So I want to create a directory called DevOps. To create a directory. Now verify that one. Let me remove the files here. RM space RM star mkdir and then directory name is what? DevOps. Hit enter. So our directory was created. Directory was created. Now I want to cross verify like whether the directory was created or not. Whether the directory was created or not. I want to verify. So just to give the ls. Remember guys, ls is the command to see the list of directories and also in which and also we can see the list of files. ls is the command to see the list of directories as well as list of files. Okay. Next again. So if you want to create multiple directories, how we are going to create? Mkdir and then directory name. So this was a here what I need to do. I need to use the directory name. So instead of giving touch, we are giving like mkdir. So what it will do? To create multiple directories. Multiple directories. So if you want to create the series of directories, if you want to create the series of directories, so mkdir, so that directories that you want to start with, so 1 double dot 5. So instead of giving touch, we are giving mkdir. That's it. So to create series of directories, create the series of directories. Now observe carefully. Totally I have created DevOps directory. Now, if I want to go inside to the DevOps directory, if I want to go inside to the DevOps directory, it is going to be the CD. So CD, hit enter. So I was in the DevOps directory. Right now, in where I was at? I was at the DevOps directory. Okay. Now, here, what is meant by CD? CD is nothing but change directory. So CD and then directory name. Directory name. So what it will do? To switch into a direct. Now, so again, here my question was like, guys, so observe carefully. Do we can able to create a directory inside a directory? Do we can able to create a directory inside a directory? Yes or no?
Yes, we can.
Yeah. Just try to think normal. Okay, so this is one of our folder. Go to the inside the folder. Now click on the right click. We can able to create one more folder, right? In the same manner, here as well. I have created one directory. I was inside the directory. Now I can able to create one more directory. DevOps 1. So CD DevOps 1. Again, I want to create one more directory. DevOps 2. So CD DevOps 2. Again, mkdir DevOps 3. So if you observe, I am giving CD T and it was printing the full name. Means so you need to press the tab button. So if you press the tab button, it will print the full name. Again, mkdir DevOps 4, CD DevOps tab. So right now, if you observe, I am at DevOps 4, right or not? If you want to print the path in real time, this entire path will not show. It will show only the DevOps 4. Okay. So right now, if you want to print your path, what we are going to use? We are going to use PWD. So here PWD is nothing but present working directory. So it will print the entire path. It means wherever you are present. So what is the command here? PWD, present working directory, to print the current path. Current. Okay. Now see here. If you want to go one step back, if you want to go to one step back, so the command will be cd space double dot. cd space double dot. So if you want to go 2 steps back, cd space double dot slash double dot. If you want to go to 3 steps back, cd space double dot slash double dot slash double dot. Okay, one step back. One step back. 2 steps back. 3 steps back. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Now, let us try to do it lively. cd space double dot. So I was at DevOps 3. cd space double dot slash double dot. 2 steps back. Previously we are at DevOps 3. Now we are at DevOps 1. Okay. So if you want to go 3 steps back, cd space double dot slash double dot. So we are at that route. Now let me go to the DevOps. So right now I was at DevOps 4, right? Now if you want to go to directly to the root directory, remember this tilt symbol will represent the root directory. What was that? It's a root directory. Now if you want to go to directly the root directory, cd, hit enter. We are at root directory. cd o go to root directory. Now, I have came from DevOps 4, right or not? Now, I want to go to DevOps 4 directly. cd space hyphen. So, this command will like, wherever you have came, it will shift to that particular path. మీరు ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చారో అక్కడికి తీసుకెళ్తుంది. సో ఇలా ఇవి మేజర్ అండి. సో దిస్ వాస్ ద మేజర్ కమాండ్స్. సో క్లియర్ ఫర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ అబౌట్ దీస్ కమాండ్స్. So see, instead of giving touch, we have given mkdir. That's it. cd, change directory, pwd, 1 step back, 2 steps, 3 steps, root direct. Okay. Clear? Online. So Mini, are you there? Rini, sorry. And then these, okay, all are good.
Yes, sir.
Done that. Now, after that, we are having like, so let's say I have created a file called thesis. So let's say this is my server. This is my server. I am having the TCS file, but I don't know where my file was present. Observe the scenario here. I know I am having the TCS file, but I don't know where my TCS file was present. So at this point of time, what we are going to do? We are going to use the tree command. What is the command here? Tree. So tree is used to print the hierarchy structure. Print the hierarchy structure of your server. So let's say, just to give the tree here, hit enter. So what we are getting? Command tree not found, but can be installed with. So what is the command to install the tree? apt install tree. That's it. It will install the tree. Remember, in future, if you want to install the Git, apt install Git. In future, if you want to install Maven, apt install Maven. In future, if you want to install Docker, apt install Docker. That's it. Very, very simple commands, guys. So let me install the tree. apt install tree. Here my question was like, what is mean by apt? apt is nothing but advanced package tool. What is the command here to install a tree? So tree. What is the command? apt install tree. So here what is mean by apt first? apt is nothing but advanced package tool. Advanced package tool. So it will install the tree. Enter. Now tree was installed. And also if your screen was clear, I mean to say if your screen was full, just try to use like clear command. Clear. Hit enter. It will clear the entire screen. Or the shortcut is going to be Control L. You can type the clear, hit enter. It will clear your screen, or Control L. It will clear the to clear the screen. So what we are going to use? We are going to use like Control plus L at a time. CT RL plus L. Control plus L. D. Clear the screen. Next. Yeah. So just should give the tree. So I can see like my DevOps file was present on, sorry, TCS file was present on where? DevOps 4. So now simply I can go to the DevOps 4. DevOps 4 was present on 3. 3 was present on 2. 2 was present on 1. 1 was present on DevOps. Now observe carefully. I am having a file like touch AWS. Now give the ls. I am having a file called AWS. Now I want to rename my AWS file. I want to rename my AWS file. So how we are going to rename? We are going to use a command called mv, nothing but move. So we are moving, nothing but we are renaming AWS with Azure. That's it. So what exactly it will do? To rename a file. So mv, nothing but AWS, sorry, Azure spelling was wrong, but it will be renamed by like this. So whatever I have given, it was taking that one, or else so rename. It was okay. Now again, yes, I to give that try. So I am having the Azure file. Now I want to move this Azure file into DevOps 4. Into where? Or else into DevOps 2. I am having my Azure file here. But I want to send my Azure file to DevOps 2. So at this point of time, what we are going to use? We are going to use a command called mv. Remember, mv is the command to rename your file and also to move your file. So we are moving the Azure file to where? To the DevOps 2, right? So if you want to mention the DevOps 2, you need to mention the entire path. So DevOps, DevOps 1, DevOps 2. So ultimately it will be moved to the DevOps 2. You need to give the entire path, not only the single directory name. You need to give the path of your directory. Hit enter. So it was moved. So previously, if I have given the ls, I should have the Azure file. If I have given the ls, we should have the Azure file. But right now, we have moved this Azure file to your DevOps 2. So it was moved to the DevOps 2. How can I get to know that? Just let me mention the tree. So Azure was present on DevOps 2. Okay. Now I want to send my Azure file to DevOps 4. At this point of time, what we are going to do? Again, move. So the entire path you need to give. DevOps, Azure file. We need to move to DevOps 4. Hit it. It was moved.
We want to
Now,
search only specific file.
if you want to search for specific file,
Yeah, because right now the hierarchy is small, but in projects the hierarchy is very too big, right? So if we
yes.
want to search a specific file,
So we are going to use the grep command.
okay,
So we will talk about that one. So let me go with some basic commands here first. Later we will go with the advanced as well.
sure,
Clear?
yes,
So after this, yeah, copying, sorry, moving, renaming. Later we are having what? Copy. So if you want to copy this particular TCS file to DevOps 1. So copy means it will maintain two. We are having the TCS file here and also we are having the TCS file here. Copy means maintaining two. Moving, renaming is the same thing, right? So if you want to rename, so we can rename. Moving means uh, moving from here to here. But if you copy, it will stay here and also here. It will maintain duplicate. Okay. So CP, nothing but what? Copying. What we are copying? We are copying the Azure file. So basically, your Azure file was present on where? It was present on the DevOps 4. So you need to mention the entire path, not only the directly Azure. You need to mention the entire path. Where your Azure was present? It was present on DevOps 4. So this is my path. To where you are copying? We are copying to DevOps 1. So DevOps 1. Hit enter. It was copied. Now give the trick. I am having my Azure file here and also here. Okay.
and to copy all the files,
So if you want to copy all the files, mention star.
okay,
Great. So now. So remember guys, so basically I am having my family function. So that's the reason I'm going to be wind up here today. So don't mind as of now. So I will send these notes to you having the important family function basically. We are going to be wind up here as of today. So I have copied the entire comments on the chat box. So just try to take that one, everyone. So just try to copy the comments to your local. Everyone copied up. Take that particular comments. So at the end, I am going to upload this on the drive only. So if you observe, so I'm having the access like this. So I will show. I'm having the access like this in future. This is the drive where we are going to upload the notes for the students. So basically, so this is a 5 p.m. class. So we are having the Linux. So we are going to upload here. So once we have upload here, so everyone will get the notes. Yeah. So guys, so that's it from mine for today. So only for today only. So from the next session, we are having 1 hour session of 1 hour doubts. Daily we are having the doubt session. Okay, remember 1 hour the session, of 1 hour is going to be the doubts for you. So you can ask before the class the doubts, after the session also you can ask, no problem. Okay, clear for all of you? What I'm trying
Yes,
to
sir.
say.
Yes.
So have you taken the comments? Anish, Rini,
Yes.
Raju, and then Ravi.
Yes.
Very go with those comments. So practice. So it was very basic comments basically. Also, if you learn that one, so it will be very easy for in upcoming classes.
Next session will be tomorrow. Monday.
Yeah, so our admin team will schedule that one basically. So our sessions are going to be like Monday to Friday. So Saturday is going to be like I'm going to give the task for you.
Okay.
Okay, so by listening the classes, it's not I mean to say not the correct right. So Monday to Friday is the classes. So Saturday is going to be the task. You need to be submit by Monday.
Yes.
Yeah. Here for all of you. Okay then. Bye
Yeah.
all. Have a nice day. So see you on the next session.